Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click on profile. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. You go above edit profile, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to first name, click on edit. So then here add your first name and last name here. So then it's going to add with you here when you click here on save changes on your RetailMeNot app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.